Hi, this is Matt from Jackson Signs. This job here is for Iroqrafts Native Arts and Crafts retail establishment on the Six Nation territory. This sign's being mounted right on the border of the Six Nations territory in Caledonia on Highway 6. What you can see here is a post and panel billboard where we've mounted 6 large 6x6 posts into the ground and cemented them. We'll put horizontal pressure treated planks across it and then mount illumi panel substrate with the graphics onto that. One thing we like to do that's a little different is when we show up at these sites, there's usually old signs everywhere. The people that have done them in the past just leave the stuff behind. We'll take all the stuff to the tipping face, and we don't mind paying a little bit of tipping fees to keep the environment clean. This is Matt from Jackson Signs, and thanks for watching.